Hi, I'm Ian Faraday from Repercussion Drum School, and here we are at lesson number 5 on the Paradiddle football combo that I've posted up a few videos about recently. So just to recap, the pattern that we're looking to hear in the accents is the same as that football chant. Da, 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 da. Insert the name of your favourite team at the end on the... So to get there, this was... we were using paradiddles, 2 single paradiddles, a triple paradiddle, a quadruple paradiddle, and a double paradiddle. So that's right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right. And then in the videos 2, 3, and 4, we explored putting the accents on the toms, playing the whole thing between the floor tom and the high tom, and then putting the accents on the snare. So if you've not seen those, it's worth going back and having a look at those just to recap. The 5th element here, what we're going to do is we're going to play the accents on the crash cymbals, keeping the taps on the toms. Now what we need to do here also is to add the bass drum with every cymbal hit that we're doing to reinforce the thin trebly sound that we're getting off the cymbals and give it a nice punch underneath. So this with the pattern is going to sound like this, nice and slowly. Okay, a little bit faster then. Now when you're playing the crash cymbal and the bass drum, right hand, right foot, that's probably going to be fine. The problem comes with the cymbal crash on the left hand and then the bass drum on the right foot, so a little bit of cross coordination, so that can be tricky. What you don't want is all getting flammy. Yeah. Want it absolutely locked in so that you've got that clarity with the notes as you're playing this. Okay, so having got the 5 different orchestrations of this can work really well as part of a solo idea. Put the 4 on the floor, 4 quarter notes on the bass drum underneath that, and just run the sequence and try and play it seamlessly. Okay, so here we go. Okay, there you go. There's the 5 lessons on this Paradiddle football combo. I hope you've enjoyed these. I've enjoyed making these videos for you. And yeah, please leave comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as they say in all these videos. And I will be posting more of this kind of thing up in the near future. Anyway, bye for now.